Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just noticed these, my sweet peas. If you can see these, looking nice. Trying to take the lights off. It's a little bit better. Yep. As you can see here, starting to grow really tall now. I think we're probably 12 inches tall. So what we need to do now is start pruning them and pinching them out. So yeah, so all we need to do now is take each one like so, like this one here. This one has got, there's 2 plants in this one, 2 flowers in this one, sorry. Just separate them like so. Just get the other camera set. Right, so we need to get this sorted out. So these are my sweet peas. I've let them grow. What we need to do now is probably 12 inches tall, these now. Just want to take them like so. You want to put them just above a leaf joint like that. You will get loads of side shoots going from each one of those then. So that's that one done. You need to go all the way through these. These are growing in a peat-based compost. Just trying to untangle them. Yeah, peat-based compost. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed in. So that one there. Yep, so I've just started feeding them now on this. Now, tomato right, Levingtons. I'm using full strength now because they're getting to a stage now where they're really enjoying it. I just prune another one of these for you to show you. And I said, look, this one here. So you want to leave probably, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf nodes on there. Sorry about that, folks. Just my microphone falling over. Get that in there, like so. Nearly got it. Yep. That's that got. So yeah, this one here, I said, look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf nodes there, 4 side shoots. You want to really prune them a little bit before this. I probably left these a little bit too long, but they'll be fine. They're not going out for several weeks yet, till the last chance of frost is gone. That one there. Yeah, I'm growing them in these root trainers. I want to show you these. Just open this one like so. And that is why you grow them in here. It trains the roots. But they're not cheap, these root trainers. So what I would suggest, if you can't afford them, or I don't buy them anymore, what I do use is toilet roll tubes, like you see here. Collect those all year, and they are perfect for growing anything with long roots, like sweet peas. So yeah, I'm using a tomato feed, liquid tomato feed on these. It's a peat-based compost with 6 weeks worth of feed in. And these, some of these have got 2 seeds in, but most of them just got 1. You get the odd blank that doesn't grow, but it's not the end of the world. I would rather have just 1 plant than have 2 plants struggling for space. If you've got any questions about growing sweet peas, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And this is just how you pinch out your sweet peas. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.